face or heard your voice, but still I pray the same. I didn't know the when or where or how our paths would start, but God was writing every page of this story in His heart. Every time I see you now, I'm reminded God is true. All things are possible with Him, 'cause He led me here to you. You were once a dream, a prayer, through the nights I held on to. Now you're standing here with me, a miracle come true. God prepared your heart for mine, and mine was shaped for you. In His perfect time He made every promise come